Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Slack Google Drive integration not working in 2026. Many users face this issue where Google Drive files don't preview, links don't sync, or Slack shows permission or connection errors. First, let's understand why this happens. This problem is usually caused by permission issues, disconnected Google accounts, outdated integration settings, or admin restrictions. Um, Most of the time, it's easy to fix. Step 1. Check if Google Drive is connected. Go to Slack settings, then apps, and search for Google Drive. Um, Make sure it shows as connected to your Google account. Step 2. Reconnect Google Drive. Remove the Google Drive app from Slack and add it again. This refreshes permissions and fixes broken connections. Step 3. Check Google account permissions. Slack needs access to view and share drive files. Allow all required permissions when reconnecting. Step 4. Ask your Workspace admin to check app restrictions. Some workspaces limit third-party apps. The admin may need to allow Google Drive integration manually. Step 5. Sign out and sign back in. This helps sync account changes properly. It's a simple but effective step. Finally, update Slack and your browser. Outdated versions can break integrations. Always use the latest version for best compatibility. So yeah, Slack Google Drive integration issues usually come from permission problems, disconnected accounts, or workspace restrictions. Follow these steps and file sharing should work normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.